This is a quick and easy treat dispenser. What I've got in here is black soldier fly grubs that I caught, raised myself, and what I have done is put them into a Parmesan dispenser, and you just set it on set it on the setting, the holes, stick a little screw in there to hold it. You want it watertight in case you have to do this on a rainy day, so the screw kind of seals it. But as they squirm around, they'll self-dispense, falling to their deaths, where the chickens will eat them. And the chickens do love them. There's a couple that fell down. And I don't know how long this will last, but that's about a cup. And that's a simple treat dispenser for the chickens. And this only works because the grubs are moving and self-dispensing. Of course, there's a pecking order, so the head honchos get to have their pick, and the ones on the outskirts are the ones that don't get to eat till the head honchos get their fill. But as the ones at the top of the ladder get full, they walk away, and then the rest get to eat. What you need? This is not their main food source. This is just a treat, little morning snack, I guess. This could work with other containers, maybe a spice dispenser. Anything with just a couple of holes that are small enough for the worms to crawl out of, the grubs to crawl out of. Very simple, very easy. Your birds will love you for it. Mine get to free range, so they get to find bugs as it is, but this is just a nice, simple food source for them. And they seem to be happy. Right? Thanks for watching, and please comment, rate, and subscribe.